Good morning, this is Brad Langham, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through the 2023 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. We'll start up front where you see the port and starboard couches. You have an ottoman with this boat as well. You got a flip up lid and a built-in cooler. Really nice feature. Cup holders, in-floor storage here in the floor. To the port side you have a large entry side door. On this boat we order a wireless charger and also hardwired charging ports to port. Lighted cup holders. On the dash, you can see the new style Grand Mariner dash. Got a built-in Simrad GPS depth finder. You can do a lot of things with this. You have analog gauges as well. To the port side of the dash, you have a JL audio control. And you have lighted breakers with your digital throttle and shift. This boat comes equipped with the raised helm as well. Your two captain's chairs that spin 360 degrees. Moving aft, you'll see you have your SL lounger that's reversible. The seat backs also flip up so you can face forward or backwards. This boat's equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury outboard. Looking at the tower, you have tower speakers and great accent lighting. That's going to do it for today's 230 Grand Mariner. If you want to take a look at it, come see us. Thank you.